Okay, first connecting the accessories. This is interlock. This is for foot switch. This is for power adapter. This is the switch. And then this one is for the connector of the handpiece. This one. So let's open the device. The password is 40. This is the wavelength of these products. And in here you can see the max power. Can adjust in here and also can be here. This is the max power of this device. For nail fungus treatment, you will need this handpiece. First, you need to set the treatment parameters. We choose 8 watts and repeat mode. It has 3 modes. Continue with single pulse and repeat pulse. In the nail fungus treatment, it will use the repeated pulse. Then set the time for T on. And T off. You can set the treatment parameters according to your need. And then press standby. When you press the standby, it will have the aiming beam. In this condition, not the laser come up, just aiming beam. And then wear the safety goggles. Press the foot switch. First open the foot switch. Put it. When you hear the off beam, this means the laser emitting. Use the energy in nail fungus is okay. When you do the treatment, you can move the handpiece as you need. And then see the manual. Standby. It has some proposals. The user can recite the proposal's name by himself, and also can set the treatment parameters. In this manual, the user can adjust the sound, background light, and also can set a timer.